What is up, and welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. Today we are going to hang out at RevFusion car show in Downey. It's a small car show, but I'm gonna go and come out and support my friend Jeffrey at C Car Club of America. Really cool dude, so I figured I'd come out and support him. And this event should be fun. It's gonna be held at the dealership. Also, a couple of things that I want to test out is I want to test this out. Let me flip my camera. I want to test out my new dash cam from Red Tiger. I bought this dash cam a few weeks back. It's not sponsored or anything like that. It's I paid with my own money, and I just wanted to add a dash cam for a couple of reasons. One is, it's good to have just in case of any accidents. And two, I kind of want to use this dash cam to get some videos of driving videos, because I have a GoPro, but you got to set everything up. This is just always on, so all I have to do is log on to the app and download the footage, and there you have it. So I just want to try that out. Also, this is the only place that I can put it in without it being too in your face. What I ended up doing is I ended up taking off the rear view mirror, and you really can't see anything out of it. So I do have a rear view camera in this thing. If I can, okay. There we go, it's turning on. So there's the front camera, interior, and the rear camera. So this is what I'm going to use as a rear view camera for now. See how that works. Worst case scenario, if it's just terrible, I can put the mirror back in. It's gonna block the interior camera, but I kind of want to use that because it has it. So I'm gonna give this a try, see how that goes, and go from there. So there you have it. I'll see you guys soon at the show, and I'll show you guys some footage of what I got. Alright, as you can see, the mirror is back on. I tried it, took it for a spin without the mirror. It didn't really work out too well. So that's back. I think that's more important than the in-car camera. And worst case scenario, if I want to do in-car camera, I'll just take the mirror off. It's pretty easy, you just pull this off. So, but for now, this is what I'm gonna roll with. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, I am not at the show. Unfortunately, I had a little bit of a misfortune. My alternator decided to go out halfway to Downey, and had to pull over. Luckily, I had some friends around the area. They were able to take me to the parts store, and I was able to pick one up and replace it at the side of the road. So I decided to go home after that, because by the time I would have gotten to the show, it would have been over already. But let me show you guys a couple things. So this is my alternator. I need to pull this pulley out and put it on the CarQuest brand that I had picked up. So this helps not over revving the alternator, because they are tend to overspin them when you rev up the engine pretty high. This is actually my third alternator that I burnt out, so I'm kind of trying to figure out what's happening. I thought it was this thing that, you know, helped, but unfortunately I have it and I still burnt it out. So yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if it's just because it's a cheap brand. Well, it's not that cheap of a brand. It's from Speedway, and pretty sure it's probably China made, but it worked for a little while, longer than the other ones that I've had, but still hate to have it go out on the side of the road. So for now, I am running the CarQuest brand. I think it's a Delphi. It's a rebuilt alternator. Not sure how good it is. It's not as high powered as the other one. I think this one's only 102 amps. I don't quite remember what that one is, but I think that one has a warranty, so I'll exchange that one. Also, another thing is I decided to pick up this tool set. I don't remember where. I think it's either Harbor Freight or Walmart, and it was really cheap, and I figured, you know, it's good to have a small set in the car just in case for, you know, emergencies, kind of like today. And what I do recommend is spending a little bit more money on a nice quality set, because this thing was like look at this. I don't know if you can see that, but focus. There you go. Look at that. It cracked, it split. It literally just, it's no good. So this is junk, and suggest you guys getting a good set, because it doesn't do you any good when it's an emergency and your tools don't work. So I ended up picking up a set from CarQuest, and kind of worked pretty good. So I'll probably just swap all the sockets to here, get a different ratchet, and should be okay. I mean, they're probably fine for like things that are not very tight or torqued. This will work fine, but anytime you got to put some torque in it, they just break. So do recommend getting a good set. All right, well, with that said, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Unfortunately, like I said, I didn't make it to the show, so I couldn't show you guys any cool cars or anything, but made it back home, and got to pull her in the garage and wait for it to cool, swap out the pulley, and she'll be back on the road. Till next time, I'll catch you guys. Please, if you get a chance, subscribe, share, and like the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.